Hey everyone, I am on my way to do some shopping, but here's a place I haven't been to in a while. We're going to Trader Joe's. Oh yeah, let's go. Ooh, love the flowers. A lot of filming in this Trader Joe's. It tends to be a little cramped in there, so but I did show you some clips of some of my favorite things that I wish I would have bought, but things that I just love. So the only thing I didn't show you was the chocolate babka, and that's one of my faves, and I didn't buy it, but that's okay. That's okay. I have some other good stuff and some stuff that I haven't tried before that I think I'll try on today's haul. What do you say? I got a couple new things, so I got to try them. But first, I have pizza crust. So we've bought before. They're pretty good. So this is an already made pizza crust. It's kind of flat crusted. We did make it last time with sauce and cheese like normal, but I thought this time let's make it with like barbecue chicken and some barbecue sauce and cheddar cheese. Kind of give it some different flavors. Easy meal, right? Let me show you some other easy meals and some yummy snacks. Okay, so I bought a couple of these little ciabatta breads. They were about $1.20 each and perfect size for a meal. So what I want to put on it, some of their bruschetta. It is so good, and I haven't gotten this in a while. I try it right this second, but there's something else I'm wanting to try. Marinated mozzarella cheese. Look at the underside. It has like oils and like all the savory stuff from like a lot of Italian seasonings. The reason I wanted to buy this was I bought some cucumbers and some tomatoes to make a little salad with the mozz. Like, is it caprese salad to kind of give it that taste of like that Italian, that yumminess. And I know I'm going to be the only one that eats it, so it would make the perfect lunch. And now I need to try it. This smells so good. I could even probably use that oil like on that the ciabatta bread before I even put on the bruschetta. That's just going to be making it just even better. Okay, going in. And I just dripped some on my shirt. Dang it. This tastes like pizza without the crust, like literally. So you guys, let me know in the comments if you're a fan of all things Italian. This is so good. I believe it was closer to $5 for the smaller container, but I'm kind of glad it was smaller too so I could try it. Now I need to try to get that off my shirt. Ugh. Okay, let's keep going. So I also can use these tomatoes with this, just some plain bagels and some cream cheese and lemon pepper. It's one of my favorites. Plus, these, I got them plain, even though I really enjoy the everything bagel. I got them plain in case the kids wanted to have some with butter and jam. I got a lot of things from the freezer section. Easy snacks, easy meals. They don't always have these mac and cheese bites out, and this is one of Kobe's favorite. So he will eat all of this at one sitting. Another thing I picked up were these 2 mac and cheeses. Very, very good. It just takes some time to bake. So give yourself like 45 minutes. It says 25 minutes. So it's gonna bake. I picked up, of course, their orange chicken. Now I only got one because that's gonna be enough for me and the boys. And then for Paul, he really likes this barbecue chicken teriyaki, where I know there might be some gluten in the sauce, but at least he could have this with some rice and we can still have like an Asian cuisine night. Okay, here's another thing that I got that I've never had. I don't know if I've had this before, but it's Alfredo. It's just fettuccine Alfredo. I know Jonas is a big fan of Alfredo, and so I thought maybe we can cook this up one evening, maybe have some grilled chicken with it. Totally easy. maybe for 1 to 2, maybe 3 persons. So depending if it's Ezra. So this should be good for a quick and easy meal as well. Okay, so I picked up some more produce. Whenever I go to Trader Joe's, I really love what they have to offer, as in like freshness and serving sizes. So I picked up just one of these. This is perfect for me, or maybe even as a side salad. My kids don't really eat a lot of salad, and Paul either. So I think this could probably take care of all of us if I add some more veggies to it. I did get veggies. Paul's favorite veggies, these bell peppers and onions, because he loves to have them with like fajitas or any like Mexican cuisine. And I also picked up some to just go into the freezers. So this will be good to go in case I need some bell peppers for something. So this is what I'm talking about, a serving size. Like, I love broccoli florets, but I just like to cut like the heads off of them, the little flower parts. And this is like perfect for a meal for our family. I'll bake these at 425 with some oil, salt, and pepper, and let them go for about 15 minutes. When it comes out, put lots and lots of lemon juice. It is super yummy, has a good fresh taste to it, and they complement each other nicely. I couldn't leave Trader Joe's without their corn. This is some of my favorite. It is really good in soups and casseroles and even arroz con pollo. Talking about easy meals, this is something that will be for Paul, since it has the bell peppers and the onions. I know Jonas will eat it too, but this is really Paul's jam. So this with some grilled chicken would be a perfect meal for Paul. I also got one of these orange chicken bowls. The Phillips raved about these, so I want to try it for myself. And then another thing that I picked up, little pineapples. Frozen pineapples are so sweet. It is my favorite frozen pineapple by far. And talking about something else that is my favorite, these chocolate covered strawberries. Now, I have to hide these because the kids will eat them, and I just want to keep them for myself. They're teeny tiny. They're just perfect for a snack for mom. Do you guys have little stashes of your secret little, like, secret snacks? Let me know in the comments what they are and where you stash them. So I picked up just some more potatoes. We go through lots of potatoes, whether I'm making mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, fried potatoes. And I really like their potatoes, actually, because they're good size. And I don't even have to smell them because I know they're good. I know, I'm the weird lady who smells her potatoes at the store because some just smell really bad, right? Okay, I picked up also some of these brown rice pastas. These are mostly for Paul, but we will eat them as a family, but they're just good to have on hand. I just like to keep stocking up. I've been doing a lot of stocking up with pasta, and so rice pasta is on my list. And so I bought this creamy tomato basil sauce that just looks super good. Oh yes, I cannot wait to try that. I also picked up these sparkling waters. These have they have some good flavors on them. So you can see that says pineapple, and this one's like cranberry clementine. So they're a good flavor. And you guys, they're under $1 each. So I think these are like 80 cents or something, and it's good sized. And I picked up a couple boxes of these. They were only 99 cents each. And I thought, the kids are home, let's try to do some bread. But this looks like it's super easy to put together. You just need water and butter. So I'm gonna let them try it. So that'll be fun to try as a fun science experiment / recipe. We'll see. But 99 cents, what a good deal. And then another thing I picked up were these SpaghettiOs that are the Trader-O's, and these are also tomato and cheese flavor. I think I remember having these years ago, and they were really good. So I'm gonna try them again. And then I picked up this, you guys. I really love their seasonings there. I have everything but the bagel, and so this is everything but the elote. Now, this is what's in those Mexican corns that are just so yummy, the flavoring, the seasoning. But you guys, I can't make those so much at my house because they have mayonnaise on them. So nobody here is going to eat that except for me. I love it. So at least I could get the seasoning. If I cook up some corn, I could just sprinkle some of this on there. That will be so good. We're near the end, you guys, and I have something to taste in a second. All right, so I also picked up stuff for breakfast for Paul. I got him these almond yogurts. They just looked really good, and I thought that that would be good for Paul. And some gluten-free granola, so he can have some of those. Plus, keeping in mind for Paul, I picked up these little 10 packs of trail mix. They do have little bits of chocolate. It's one of his favorites, and actually I've had a few myself. Pretty darn good. And then I picked up these little ABC bars. I'd never seen them before, but I thought that Paul would like them because they have almond peanut butter or almond butter and then some chocolate, and it's gluten-free. So let him try something a little bit different in maybe for, instead of like a Kind bar, he can have one of those. I picked up some of these strawberry bars. Ezra really likes these ones. So, and it isn't funny that it says a strawberry. The strawberry walked into a bar. And some other things we picked up were some bananas and then some snacks. I got some Pirate's Booty. And so this is just a nice little snack, although they are called corn puffs because Trader Joe's actually sold the name Pirate's Booty to major brands. So they can't use that anymore, but they still make it. And I love their honey wheat pretzels. I buy these nearly every single time I go to Trader Joe's. They are just really yummy. And then I picked up this, and this is what I'm going to try. These organic elote corn chip dippers. You guys, I had to try it. Look at it in the back, like it has, that's what elote looks like if you're wondering. It's a Mexican corn. It's like a street corn. They pretty much just take a corn on the cob, dip it in like some like mayonnaise with crema in it, and it's got like, it's kind of thicker, and then they roll it in like Parmesan cheese and add all these wonderful, wonderful seasonings like that are probably all over these corn chips. That is so good. There's a hint of spice in there, but it is so good. I am such a fan of things like corn chips, tortilla chips with Mexican food. It brings out the flavor so much. Okay, one more thing. I like to pick up some flowers from Trader Joe's. They have the best priced flowers that I've ever seen. So these were only $3.99, and I picked out these fall mums because my mother who passed away, these were her favorite. So in honor of my mother, picking up some mums. So thanks so much for watching this haul. It has been quite a long time that I've been to Trader Joe's, but I need to go back within the next month because their pumpkins will be there. And if you don't know about Trader Joe pumpkins, they are $2.99 each, as long as they haven't raised the price. And that to me is the best price pumpkins that you can find. So again, thanks for watching the haul, and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye everyone.